In the world of outdoor cooking, a great gas grill is more than just a heat source. It's the heart of every backyard gathering. The best gas grills today combine powerful burners, precise temperature control, durable stainless steel construction, and smart features that make grilling easier and more consistent than ever. From quick weeknight meals to full weekend BBQs, these grills are built to deliver flavor, performance, and reliability. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best gas grills and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 6. Weber Spirit E310 Gas Grill. The Weber Spirit E310 stands out as one of the best gas grills for most backyards, offering a strong balance of performance, features, and affordability. Once heated, its 3 responsive control knobs allow precise adjustments within seconds, making temperature management simple and reliable. The grill delivers impressively even heat distribution across the cooking surface, with only a slight temperature difference between the center and edges, which is typical for grills in this class. With 450 square inches of cooking space, it provides enough room for family meals and casual gatherings, while still being compact enough for smaller patios. Designed for both beginners and experienced grillers, the E310 is intuitive to use, yet capable of handling more advanced cooking techniques. It includes 2 spacious side tables for prep work, multiple tool hooks for convenience, and durable wheels that make it easy to move around your outdoor space. Backed by Weber's reputation for quality and a 10-year warranty, it is built for long-term durability. While it has less cooking space than its predecessor and lower BTUs, Weber explains that the redesigned 3-burner system improves heat distribution and efficiency, delivering consistent cooking performance at a lower cost. Priced under $500, the Spirit E310 remains a practical, efficient, and highly recommended choice for everyday grilling. Number 5. Ninja FlexFlame. The Ninja FlexFlame is a standout full-size gas grill that redefines outdoor cooking with its rare combination of versatility, power, and precision. Unlike traditional grills, it runs on propane and electricity, featuring a convection fan system that delivers remarkably even heat distribution and fast recovery after opening the lid, making it ideal for everything from quick burgers to slow-roasted brisket. With a powerful output reaching up to 71,000 BTUs and a top temperature of around 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles high heat searing with ease while still offering excellent low and slow cooking control. One of its most unique features is the built-in smoker box, which can be activated at the push of a button to infuse food with rich applewood or hickory smoke flavor, giving home cooks an authentic barbecue experience. The grill provides 424 square inches of main cooking space, plus an additional warming rack, totaling 545 square inches, enough to prepare meals for large gatherings with ease. Its modular design supports multiple cooking styles, including griddling, smoking, roasting, and even pizza making with optional attachments. Users can sear steaks on one side while simultaneously cooking vegetables or fish on a flat-top surface, showcasing its true multi-zone capability. While the FlexFlame is packed with premium features, it does come at a higher price point and requires electricity to operate, and many accessories are sold separately. However, for those who want a high-performance, all-in-one outdoor cooking system with exceptional heat control and versatility, it delivers impressive results and a truly elevated grilling experience. Number 4. Weber Genesis E335 Gas Grill. This grill stands out for its simplicity, as it avoids smart technology or app connectivity, which appeals to users who prefer a traditional grilling experience without digital distractions. It offers a large cooking surface of 787 square inches, making it ideal for families or enthusiasts who need ample space for multiple dishes at once. The design includes 2 spacious side tables that are sturdy enough to comfortably hold large trays or sheet pans, adding convenience during food preparation. A side burner is also included, although some users may find it unnecessary depending on their cooking style. In testing, the stainless steel version delivered similar performance, showing material choice does not significantly impact cooking results. One drawback is that the built-in analog thermometer can be inaccurate at times, occasionally reading up to 50 degrees off, which is not uncommon for integrated grill thermometers. This model sits at the higher end of the price range compared to similar grills. It also supports natural gas connection and comes with a 12-year warranty, adding long-term value through durability and consistent performance. Key specifications include 3 main burners plus a sear burner, 4 wheels, 2 side tables, 40,000 BTUs of heat output, and compatibility with a protective cover. Number 3. Monument Grill's Stainless 4-Burner Propane Gas Grill. This grill stands out for being incredibly easy to assemble, quick to ignite, and simple to move around thanks to its 4 smooth rolling caster wheels, making it a practical choice for backyard cooking setups. Once in use, it delivers a generally enjoyable grilling experience, especially given its large cooking surface that allows you to prepare meals for a crowd without constant repositioning. During testing, food results were impressive overall. Burgers, buns, and onions developed great flavor, while steaks achieved strong grill marks and a rich, deep brown caramelization that enhanced their taste. However, heat distribution wasn't perfectly even, as items placed further back on the grates tended to sear more clearly than those closer to the front. Fish also showed some sticking issues with the grates, although the flesh itself cooked through nicely. With 723 square inches of cooking space and 4 burners producing a total of 72,000 BTUs, this is a large format grill that offers solid performance for its price point. It also includes useful extras like a rotisserie kit and 2 side tables, adding convenience during cooking sessions. Despite its strengths, concerns remain about long-term durability, especially considering its relatively short 1-year warranty. Still, for its value, size, and cooking capability, it delivers a strong balance of performance and affordability, with one tester noting that grills with similar cooking space often cost nearly double. Number 2. Weber Genesis E325 Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The Genesis E325 3-burner gas grill stands out as a powerful and spacious option that delivers performance well beyond its class, offering over 100 more square inches of cooking area than some competing 4-burner models. In testing, it consistently impressed with even heat distribution across the entire surface, making it easy to achieve restaurant-quality results at home. Steaks developed a strong, flavorful sear, while burgers and salmon cooked evenly with clear grill marks and appealing caramelized browning. The responsive controls made ignition quick and hassle-free, and temperature adjustments felt precise and reliable throughout use. One of its strongest features is the built-in temperature gauge, which proved highly accurate during testing, staying within about 10 degrees of a reference thermometer. This level of consistency helps users cook with confidence, whether grilling delicate seafood or thick cuts of meat. The grill also includes a useful griddle insert that transforms it into a flat-top cooking surface, expanding its versatility for breakfast foods, vegetables, and smash burgers. With 640.5 square inches of total cooking space, 3 burners, 4 wheels for mobility, and 2 side tables for prep work, it is designed for both convenience and performance. Backed by a 10-year warranty and including 6 tool hooks plus natural gas compatibility, the Genesis E325 is a well-rounded, durable grill that delivers reliable results for years of outdoor cooking. Number 1. Weber Summit FS38E Gas Grill. The Weber Summit is a premium gas grill built for serious grilling enthusiasts who cook multiple times a week and want restaurant-level performance at home. With an expansive 681 square inches of cooking space and 5 powerful burners, it provides enough room to prepare large meals with precision and consistency. During testing, it delivered impressively even heat distribution across the entire surface, making it easy to achieve perfect sear marks and deeply caramelized crusts on steaks and other meats. One standout feature is the integrated broiler, which allows users to finish dishes with high-intensity direct heat for enhanced flavor and texture. It also includes a perforated stainless steel smoker box designed to hold wood chips, adding rich, smoky depth to grilled foods. Additional features, such as a side burner and a rotisserie system capable of handling multiple whole chickens, make it extremely versatile for different cooking styles. While the burners ignite quickly and reliably, the broiler may require a few attempts to start, but overall operation remains smooth and user-friendly. Built with durability in mind, it offers a robust construction backed by a 15-year warranty, reflecting its long-term reliability. With support for natural gas and a powerful output of 65,000 BTUs, the Weber Summit is engineered for performance, precision, and convenience. Although its price point is significantly high, it justifies the investment for those who demand professional-grade grilling capabilities, advanced features, and consistent results every time they cook outdoors.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.